What is up guys, this is Tito back with another unboxing video, and today in this video I'm gonna be talking about the Ulanzi MT11, the Gorilla Pod alternative you can say. So this I ordered from Amazon on the Freedom sale, and of course I got a deal of 999 rupees. So let me just unbox it and show you the product details. Right now Amazon has totally switched to a paper kind of packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like, and yes, typical Amazon packaging. As you can see, it's ripped apart from here. So yeah, we can't help about that. Here it's mentioned that it's flexible tripod, and of course Ulanzi is a well-known brand about camera gears, and here we have the Ulanzi and the model number MT11, and on the bottom it's mentioned again it's MT11, and you can see this is how the tripod will look, of course. And on the right side we have the Ulanzi branding over here only. Then in the back side, as you can see, you can mount a phone with a microphone as well, with a cold shoe mount and stuff. But you can of course mount a DSLR if you want to, because the payload on this thing is about 2 kgs or up to 2 kgs. So that's just amazing. And on the left side of the packaging it shows vlog now with Ulanzi, and just a vlog and some Chinese text. Of course this product is made in China, I guess. So let me just open this from right here. And here we got the product. Nothing else is in the packaging. So we get an instruction or user manual over here, and you can read it out if you want to, or if you want to figure some stuff out about this, keep it aside over here. Let's just focus on the product right now. The first impression, I would say the product actually feels really nice in the hand. It feels solid, and on this it feels rubberized finish over here on the hand. But I have to say it's a really great build quality for the price, at least which I got it for. And you can actually bend it. These are basically aluminum rods covered with rubber and stuff. So yeah, you can definitely bend it however you want to, just like this, if you're noticing. And just notice the quality over here is just amazing. We also get this ball head. I'll talk about that later, but first let me just bring it back to its own shape, and let's see. Okay, so you can just keep this however you want to, like this. And you shouldn't worry about this part, it's already bent like this. So yeah, so that you can of course get it out like this. And on this ball head you can just move this stuff around, and it's just touching this part, I would say, for some reason. So this is a simple ball head. You cannot really pan around with this head, so you have to keep that in mind. It's especially for like vlogging and stuff. You just keep it on one position and lock it over there. So let me just lock over here. So right now let me focus on the top part. This is how the ball head top part actually looks. This here is rubberized so that your devices are safe and it does not feel like it's scratching or something. On the bottom it has a really nice finish. So if you want to mount a DSLR over here, you can definitely do that. It has this grippy feeling over here. I can totally say it's grippy, and the DSLR will be sticking to it pretty much. It also has the spirit level, if you're noticing this. So yeah, the spirit level should be working perfectly fine for leveling and stuff, of course. So even if you want to like put this thing on a uneven surface, you can definitely do that. And this part is actually rotating, so you can adjust or screw it up with this. You don't have to move your camera like this. You can screw it up just like this if you want to. I just noticed one more thing, that you can literally remove the like top part, the ball head over here. And this is the ball head that is provided with this. It has this kind of screw over here, 1/4 inch screw pretty much, and you can just mount it over here. So for some reason, if you want to change this head and replace with another head, you can definitely do that right here. And the weight of this is about 250 grams, really light I would say, and it will fit in your backpack or something. So really easy to carry around. Also it has a 1/4 inch thread, so if you want to mount even more stuff, you can definitely do that, which I will show you later. So you have to actually put some force over here so that you can bring it out. Afterwards you can just keep it like this. So let's just see, and this part is actually a spring kind of thing, so you can bring it up just like this. So you can mount even bigger phones if you have them. My phone is a Redmi Note 10 Pro over here, which with a cover is really thick, so I'll just try to mount it just like this. So it seems it's a pretty nice fit, I would say. If you're noticing this, I'll just show you. even if I'm holding the device in my hand. Just notice this is how it looks like from the back side, and this is how it looks like from the front side. Of course, you can like use the back camera as well if you want to vlog or something with this, but let's test with the front camera right now. And if I try to shoot a video, this is how it seems. I can hold this on my hand and this is how the view looks. Actually, I can bend it towards me. So yeah, for vlogging and stuff, it should be decent. And you can see in the viewfinder with the front camera and stuff, the Redmi Note 10 Pro's front camera is not that wide, but yeah, with this particular thing, it's pretty wide. It is actually covering a lot of area. I'll just have a b-roll over here so that you guys can see this recording. So yeah, this is how it looks. And the audio right now you are hearing from a mic, from a separate mic, not from the Redmi Note 10 Pro. But yeah, this is how it should look. I'm not like extending it fully, but yeah, it's just only a little bit straight up on my hand. If you want to get a perspective of this, this is how I'm holding it on my hand. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me in the comments how it looks with this. And with a smartphone, it's a really carryable option. And yes, I don't feel any kind of like heaviness in my hand or something. But yeah, with a DSLR, it might be a little too heavy for some, but that's how it is. But I'll show you how it looks with a DSLR even. But yeah, this is how it looks with a smartphone. By the way, this is how the inside portion looks like over here. So to mount a DSLR onto this thing, and I'm gonna mount this Canon 200D on top of this. So for that, you just have to bring it back like this, how it was. It should just lock in place, but it's not locking in place easily. So I've tried hard, but it's not locking in place, but this part is already flat actually. So let's mount it just like this over here. And right now I just need to move this thing around and it should screw in the camera. So yeah, it's perfectly screwing right just like this. And I can tighten it with two hands. And yeah, right now it's perfectly tied up. Let's see how it stands. And yeah, actually it's standing perfectly fine with the camera, I would say. And right now if I try to adjust the ball head, and yep, the ball head adjusting is perfectly fine. So right now this is how it looks from the camera once it's mounted over here, and you can see it's like holding the mount just normally. With a DSLR, it might be a little bit hectic because DSLRs are heavy and definitely you can feel that in your hand. If you're someone who is used to on vlogging with a DSLR and stuff, you can definitely do that. But yes, it might be hectic for a normal user who is not used to like of vlogging with a heavy DSLR. So yeah, if you're a smartphone user, this is just a perfect setup, I would say. But yeah, you have to actually be careful because of the balancing stuff over here. So yeah, otherwise it's perfectly fine setup. If you're someone who is vlogging with it, you can also mount like mic over here if you want to. So with any accessories that you may have, and you can just do this and connect this over here. So you got actually two cold shoe kind of mounts like this one that I have over here. And here you can mount on your camera over here, of course. And on the top side of this mount itself, you have a cold shoe mount that you can use. And also you can use your camera in portrait mode if you want to, just like this. So yeah, really amazing setup. And let's check out the balance. So yeah, it's balancing perfectly fine. If you're someone who is taking a portrait video or something, you can definitely do this for Instagram reels and stuff. You can also mount a phone or something if you want to do that with the DSLR once the DSLR is in the portrait mode. So yeah, you can definitely do that. You will still have a mount for the phone over here once you have connected to a camera. And of course there is that cold shoe mount that I was talking about. You can use a light or something on top if you want to use that. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this Ulanzi MT11? I am definitely liking this. I can definitely use this setup even outdoors. I have definitely liked it, and let me know in the comments what do you guys think about it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KTN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.